Hey, Ants, it's morning sun. Come on, wake up, wash your face, exercise, then have breakfast so that your body is healthy and strong, son.
Hello, George. Good morning, brother. Thanks for waking me up. I slept very well last night because I felt comfortable sleeping in the tent. And this is my first experience sleeping in a tent.
Hey, Mama. Okay, now you wash your face first, then have breakfast. Here I have prepared a healthy breakfast for you.
Brother, you're indeed kind. Wait a moment. I will be right back.
Okay, handsome. Now you have breakfast first, because in a healthy body there is a strong soul.
Wow. This is my favorite meal. And I haven't felt the pleasure of a meal like this in a long time. Where do you get this food, George?
That is my preparation for the journey if I suddenly get hungry.
Thanks again, George. You are really a very kind friend. Okay. You don't have breakfast.
Just enjoy and spend hands. I have breakfast. Later, after you have breakfast, we're looking for the most beautiful place in this area. I like the atmosphere here because the air is still cool and fresh. Unlike in a city full of air pollution from vehicles and factories.
Okay, don't worry, George.
Let's go while it's still early. I want to get the most beautiful place that is hard to forget.
Okay, George. I'm ready to go on an adventure with you. Have a nice day, George.
Okay, let's go.
What a beautiful view, George. For the first time in my life, I saw nature as beautiful as this.
You will enjoy the beautiful natural beauty of the universe like this, as long as humans have not discovered this place.
Do humans like to take or destroy the universe?
Not all, but mostly they are. Most of them reason to protect and preserve nature. But they actually destroy nature because of the wrong program. Apart from that, there are no eternal laws of nature. All will be destroyed in time. We can only reduce the impact and...
So, is Australia, what you say has many people, no longer beautiful?
If we talk about beauty and comfort are relative, Australia is beautiful and comfortable for humans but not for us. Many special friends in Australia. You want to know?
Yes, of course. I wonder what the term beautiful and comfortable Australia is like.
I want to tell you about the cities in Australia. Have you ever been there?
Not yet, George. Tell me about them.
First of all, there's a city called Melbourne. There are many delicious food places there. You'll love it.
I really like delicious food. What else?
There's also the city of Sydney. There's a famous opera house there. Hence.
Opera house. What's that for singing?
Yes, exactly. It's a really cool place with a building that looks like an upside-down boat.
Whoa, that's cool. Are there any other cities?
There's also the city of Perth. It's famous for its beautiful beaches. You'll love swimming there.
Whoa, that sounds fun. If I have the chance, I'll definitely go there.
Don't forget to take me with you. Hands.
Who said I'll forget? Of course, I'll take you too.
You're really funny. Hands.
Of course. Who said I couldn't be funny?
That's true. We're having so much fun.
Yes, it's really fun.
Oh wait, I'm not done yet. Hence, there are still many cool cities in Australia.
Wow, that's so exciting. Tell me more, George.
There's Adelaide, a city famous for its beautiful parks and vineyards. You'll love the scenery.
Vineyards. Whoa. The grapes must be really good. What else?
There's also Brisbane. There's a beautiful river there, and you can cross it by ferry. It's really cool, isn't it?
Wow. That sounds fun. What else, George?
There's Darwin, where you can see many cool wild animals like crocodiles, kangaroos, and koalas. It's great for nature tourism.
Whoa. That's really cool. I love seeing animals like that. What else, George?
Oh, there's Hobart too. You can explore historical sites and museums there. You'll definitely be interested.
Of course. I really like learning about history. What else, George?
There's also Cairns. You can dive and snorkel there to see the beautiful coral reefs. It's definitely going to be fun.
Whoa, that's amazing. Thanks for telling me, George. I'm really thinking about traveling to Australia now.
You're welcome. Hands, we can travel together if you want.
Of course, George. We go to Australia. Let's travel together.
Okay, then let's go now. Boy Master.